Okay, last class I had stopped till welding machine, and the next topic is multi-level marketing. See here, it is a type of marketing where a system of compensating your salespeople by not only paying them commission on sales, but also percentage of sales will be generated by salespeople they recruit in the company. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ನ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೋದಿ ಕೇರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರು ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಏನಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೆವಿ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಹರ್ಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹರ್ಬಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 50% ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 50% ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಹಾಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂಥರ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 10,000 20,000 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರ ಕಡೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೆಲಿ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇನ್ ದ TVs ಓನ್ಲಿ. ದೆಲ್ ಬಿ TV ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ದೇ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ವೇರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಿಚನ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್, ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ತುಂಬ ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ದೆಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು TV ಚಾನಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ TV ಚಾನಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಲೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಟೈಲರಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ this teleshopping. Okay, teleshopping is only basically on the television program they will advertise their products. Okay, advantage, you will get create awareness of new products. You can easily, so it always creates an awareness of new products. Right products can be purchased just sitting at your home. So if you just see the TV channel, you can easily know about those product. Wide reaches, it will reach many of the customers, or many of the people can see to your products and then purchase. Okay, next, motivate the viewers to buy by giving them special offers. Okay, they'll motivate the viewers. Okay, tagoli by giving them various kind of offers. Disadvantages, lot of duplicate products. It is not guarantee, okay, whether that is a good quality products. Duplicated products kodbodu, athwa prices will be very high in tele shopping networks, and they only focuses on metro cities, no. ಸೊ ಟೆಲಿ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಜನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದು? ನೋ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಟಚ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್. Online shopping is nothing but no. So whenever it is one kind of retail format in which retailer communicate with each other through interactive electronic networks. So online shopping is where the customers will sit together in the home and they do all the shoppings through online. Amazon.com, Flipkart ಎಲ್ಲ customers ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ರಿಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So what are the advantages that speaks about 24/7 service, shopping at the comfort at home. ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ you can easily purchase your product online. Whenever you are purchasing online, what are the advantages? You can easily compare the prices of the product, quality of the product. Quality is not in the basis of ratings. It saves lot of sitting in your home. You don't need to travel anywhere. Okay, and also discount coupons. So if you are having some discount coupons also will be provided online. And what are the disadvantages? Delay in delivery of products. So ನೀವೇ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಏನೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಟಚ್. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ safety for those kind of transaction. Purchases, returns takes lot of time. And see, what are the different modes of payment, students? See, through credit card, debit card, cash on delivery, advance payment, you can do all this online. So these are the classification of other tools of non-store retailing. So these are the various classifications. Next you have difference between store retailing and non-store retailing. See here in store retailing, what will happen is you have to particularly go to the purchase to. So first one is entertainment and social experience. You have to particularly go to that store shopping and you will experience some people and gives relaxation on break in their daily routine alva. But non-store retailing ಅಲ್ಲಿ it does not provide any traditional ಏನಂದರೆ whenever you are purchasing online sitting in your home only, that is what is non-store retailing. So it satisfies and stimulation, they cannot satisfy these entertainment and social need. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, entertainment and social experience. If you go to particular shop, you will have some mind relaxation. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ you will get some relaxation by interacting with your friends. Okay, review by others. Whenever you are talking about store retailing, review is, it does not provide the benefits knowing the review. It does not affect much when you are speaking about store retailing. But non-store retailing, whenever you are purchasing online, what happens is you will see more safety. You will see the review feedbacks which has been given for the people. Ordering and getting merchandise in most of the product is immediately delivered. So you don't take time. Whenever you directly go to the shop, you purchase the product immediately. Whereas in non-store shopping, consumer have to wait for several days to get the order that is being placed. 7 days delivery, you want to purchase those kind of products. Assistance in screening alternatives is, you require a limited range of alternatives only which will be displayed. Only limited kind of alternatives irutte when you are speaking about store retailing. Non-store alli you will have wide range of alternative for consumer to select the product, because it will be having a search engine providing a list of all internet facilities selling a product category. So store retailing alli it requires huge time. Okay, you cannot save time, whereas online alli time and money can be saved. Here you cannot save time, money also. You can compare and purchase product. Human element, store retailing, compulsory human element is required. You himself are a human being, you will go to purchase what kind of products you want. So whereas whenever you are speaking about non-store retailing, there is no such human element. So it is, you don't require human, you will just purchase products online. Okay, see, this is the Porter's 5 competitive forces that is analyzing on the online shopping. First one is bargaining power of consumers. So whenever you are purchasing online, they'll have a wider choice. You can easily see the different kinds of choices whenever you are purchasing the products. Okay, you have varieties of bargaining power. Next one is supplying power. Supplying power is, it is more difficult for consumer to manage a non-digital channel. So it is, whenever you are going online, it is very difficult to have a channel of distribution from wholesalers to, as it is digital, it is very much difficult for the consumer even to manage. And threat of new entrants. Online means it is easier to introduce new services with various overheads. Okay, new products can be introduced easily. Next, threat of substitute. The substitute products are also available online as well as general store. Substitute products andre idella aa products anatara. Okay, and there is also rivalry among competitors. It is easy to introduce products and services at different market. You can easily introduce the products to different markets. So this is the 5 forces that shapes the industry competition is. First one is rivalry among existing competitors. Then for that, first one is threat of new entrants. New entries will be given, new entrants will be introduced in the market. Bargaining power. So you will have a wider choice for bargaining power. Threat of substitute of products. So you will have, it will be provided even on the online and even as well as general. It is basically speaking about online industries. Okay, next, bargaining power of suppliers. So this is the five forces, Porter's 5 forces. Okay,